So I recently got sent out this 90-watt portable charger. This one is actually 20,000 milliamp hours. So we're actually going to be able to charge multiple devices at the same exact time, such as a MacBook or a normal laptop. And we're even going to be charging my phone at the same time during this test. But let's go ahead and quickly unbox it. So we're going to get a USB-C to USB-C for charging. We're going to get our user guide right here. But if you guys watch this video, you guys really shouldn't need that. So here is the device. It's about the size of a phone, just a little thicker. It definitely has some weight to it, which is good. That means that there should be a good quality battery inside of here. So if I press this button, we actually get a little battery life indicator right there. So it came at 86% charged. And we also do get two USB-As on the back here for charging. And we also get two USB-Cs. Both of the USB-Cs are in and out, so you guys could charge the portable charger with that, or just use the USB-C to charge devices like your laptop. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, and we're gonna plug it into my laptop and see how this goes. And just like that, I heard my laptop start charging. And now we're gonna hook up this USB-A to USB-C and charge my phone here. So let's see if that works. And they are both charging now. And you can see that this is indeed on. Portable chargers have definitely come a long ways. Back in the day, my portable charger would barely even charge up my phone once. And now our battery technology is so good, I could literally charge a laptop and phone at the same time, and I still have more ports still available to use. This portable charger is capable of fast charging as well, and if it's fast charging, you guys will see another green light right by the battery percentage. And if you guys double tap the power button, it will enter a trickle charging mode, and this is really good for charging things like AirPods or maybe your Apple Watch or smartwatch. And then to get out of that, just double press the power button again and you're all good to go. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a really nice portable charger that has a huge battery inside of it, this is a really cool one to look into. It does fast charging, trickle charging. It can charge multiple devices at the same time, all while being this large. So anyways, that's it for my super quick unboxing and review.